Hi there, middle schoolers. Okay, I promised that I would make this video because I think I made some kids' heads explode today with the assignment that I gave to you all, which for all three grades is called Session 12. Session 12 official first draft, I think is what it's called. So what I'm showing you in these couple videos is I'm going to show you exactly how to do what I am looking for you to do. Okay, so you start off, I'm using sixth grade as an example, but this will apply to all three grades, is you look to the left on your grades tab. And you guys should know how to get to there because that's how you've been checking your grades for the past quarter. Now we're into second quarter. Okay, so you're going to click on the tab that says grades. Might take a second to load because the grade book is always kind of slow because there's so much that it has working in it. So give that a second. And as it loads up, the first things that you're going to see your assignments for right now, which is quarter two. I have not graded any of those yet, so you don't need to worry about anything with those. Okay? You don't need to worry about anything with those. What you will do instead is you will go up to where it says quarter two for the grading period, and you will change that to quarter one. So you can see last quarter's assignments, which is where your writing is. You're going to click apply, and then it will load up all of those old assignments from first quarter. Okay? Now, when those load up, what you're going to be looking for is you're going to be looking for all of your assignments that were writing assignments. And you can tell that because they say session number, whatever the session number is, and then maybe some words after that. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for every single one that says session something, and you're going to take a look at it. So in the example student that I pulled up here, I'm going to go on down and I see session one, I see session two, right? I'm going to look at all of those. But the one that I'm going to show you as an example that I pulled up here is session six. So all of your ones that say session, they should look like this. You'll have a score and you'll have a little comment bubble icon on the far right, okay? As long as you did the assignment, you probably will have one of these here. You're going to go ahead and click on that bubble, and it's going to a comment is going to appear, and it will either say something from me, or hopefully it will have a link below where it says see attached files. Now, the only reason why you might not have one of those is because either you didn't do the assignment or all of my comments are just in that comment section that we're looking at right now, okay? But if you wrote enough in the later sessions, you will see a blue link below where it says see attached files. When you click on that, it will ask you to save it to your computer, which you will. So that'll pop up here in a second. And once you click save, it will go down to the bottom of your computer and save it there. So we're going to pretend that I click save. Okay, so click save. It will show up down here somewhere, and it will let you open it. So you'll click on the file that goes to the bottom, and it will open up, and it will look something like this. You'll see all of the writing that you did, but then you'll see some highlighting all over it. And you're probably thinking, what on earth is that about? But if you put your mouse over where the highlighting is, you'll see all those little yellow sticky notes that appear. And on those yellow sticky notes are my comments to you. So what you'll do is you'll look at each one of those sticky notes and you'll think, okay, that's what Mr. Minnick wants me to do moving forward with this assignment. So I'm going to have to remember that when I write on this tonight, that I'm going to have to do what he tells me in that story. So for example, in this student who I used as an example here, I took away the name. I said, okay, well, this sounds like another important story here. Can you zoom in on it? Can you add some conversation?